In this video, we're going to reveal interesting and shocking psychological facts about humans. Did you know that men aren't necessarily more entertaining than women? They just tell more jokes, and they don't care whether others find them funny or not? That's fact number 1. Moving on, are you aware that we're the most imaginative at night and the least creative in the day? That's fact 2. Now to our third fact, those who have a strong sense of guilt are better at understanding the emotions and concerns of the people around them. Interesting, isn't it? And here's fact 4, when we look at someone we love, our eye pupils can increase by up to 45%. Halfway through, here's fact 5. The mind of an average person wanders about 30% of the time. Now this one might give you chills. Fact 6. During the 7 minutes of neural activity before dying, we see our memories play out in a dreamlike pattern. Fact 7. Food prepared by others tastes better than your own, even when you follow the same recipe. On a less savory note, Fact 8 reveals that hearing a single negative thing can tarnish at least 5 positive memories. Fact 9. Now here's something about introverts. Shy people often reveal very little about themselves, but they do it in such a way that makes others feel they know them better than they actually do. Fact 10. Smart people tend to have fewer friends. The smarter the individual, the more selective they become. These are just a handful of the fascinating psychological facts about humans. Each one provides a unique insight into our behavior, our emotions, and the complex inner workings of our minds. So, the next time you're wondering why you act in a certain way or why others behave as they do, remember these facts. You might just find the answers you're looking for. And that's a wrap on the first batch of psychological facts. Stay hooked as we dive deeper into the human psyche. Welcome back. Let's continue our journey into the human mind. Fact number 11. Being home alone and isolated for a long time is as bad for your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Imagine that. Moving on to fact number 12. Did you know that women have half as many pain receptors on their bodies as men? But hold on, they have a much higher threshold for pain. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, here's something about relationships. Fact 13. Any relationship born between the ages of 16 and 28 is more likely to be robust and long-lasting. Ever felt like you're in a TV reality show? Well, fact 14 tells us that this feeling is called the Truman Syndrome. Fact 15. If a person laughs too much even at seemingly unamusing things, it could mean they're lonely deep inside. And speaking of emotions, fact 16 states that if a person sleeps a lot, they might be dealing with sadness. On to communication. Fact 17. If a person speaks less but quickly, they might be holding on to secrets. Fact 18. If someone can't cry, it doesn't necessarily mean they're strong, it could mean they're weak. Now here's one about anger. Fact 19. If someone becomes angry over small things, it may indicate a need for love. Finally, fact 20. A hug that lasts longer than 20 seconds can produce hormones in your body that make you trust the person who's hugging you. And there you have it. Another round of fascinating insights into the human mind. But wait, there's more. That was quite a journey, wasn't it? Let's take a moment to recap and reflect on these intriguing psychological facts. We've traveled the diverse landscape of the human mind, from the humor differences between men and women, to the creative peaks and valleys we experience throughout the day. We've peered into the empathetic heart of guilt-ridden individuals and the love-struck eyes with dilated pupils. We've wandered through the realm of the wandering mind and tasted the strangely sweeter flavor of food prepared by others. We've felt the sting of negative words and the artful revelations of shy individuals. We've navigated the social complexities of intelligent people, the loneliness of isolation, and the surprising pain thresholds of women. From the Truman Syndrome to the power of a long hug, the secrets held by those who speak fast, to the frankness of the emotionally drained, we've covered a lot, so there you have it. 20 surprising psychological facts about humans. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the human mind.